Yan, tuloy-tuloy lang ang buhay. Stop. That's the problem with life. You have to keep on progressing because if you stop, you fall. In this life that the Lord has given to you, make sure that you don't stop. Keep on running. Keep on progressing. No matter how little the progress is, keep on progressing. Keep moving forward. Never ever stop, because when you stop, you will fall. Galatians 5:7 says, "You were running well. Who hindered you from obeying the truth?" Wow. Lahat ng pinagdaraanan mo, may purpose yan. Ang purpose yan para tumatag ka, para tumibay ka. And the more you endure, the more you develop endurance in this life. Kapatid, wag ka munang susuko. Napakabata mo para sumuko. Wag kang susuko, wag kang titigil. Huwag mong tapusin ang sinimulan ng Lord sa buhay mo. God